above your seat have been switched off, you'll be able to use large electronic equipment. EDs that are handheld may continue to be used providing they are in flight mode. As a courtesy to those around you, please ensure headsets are utilised. For guests travelling in the main cabin today, your lavatory is located at the rear of your cabin. For guests travelling business class, your lavatory is located forward. Lavatories may only be used when the seatbelt signs have been extinguished. Please utilise facilities if